How to mute someone on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute someone on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, then what you can do is just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply find the person that you want to mute, or you can directly go to the DM section, and here you can simply find the person that you want to mute. And after that, what you can do is simply long press on the chat icon, and there you'll see the option labeled as mute messages from the pop-up menu. So there you can just tap on it, and after that, on the next pop-up you can simply select the time. So here I will simply select until I change it, and once you do that, you have muted them on Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.